of encouragement. I would now like to invite our first guest speaker, Mr. Abdul Rahim Surya. Mr. Surya is a fellow member of both ICAP and ICMAP, having over 30 years post-qualification experience. He is a partner with an audit firm, Surya Noman Rehan and Company, and also a professional trainer, having conducted over 175 workshops. He is a visiting faculty member of IBA, a certified director from Pakistan Institute of Corporate Governance, and has also authored a book, A Guide to Business Decision Making. Mr. Surya is a past president of ICAP and has remained council member for 16 years. During this stint, he represented Pakistan on International Education Board of IFAC for 6 years and as SAFA board member. Please welcome Mr. Abdul Rahim Surya.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll begin my talk with prayers to my parents. Rabbir hamumma kamma rabbi yani sagira. اے اللہ میرے والدین پر رحم فرما جس طرح انہوں نے ہم پر رحم کیا بچپن میں. First of all, I want to thank the Southern Regional Committee for inviting me. I have been on this platform of IK for 20 years, from 93 to 2013, as a host, but this is for the first time I'm invited here in a different capacity. I have the honor of working with 15 IK presidents in the council. First of all, I want to congratulate the newly qualified chartered accountants and especially to their parents for achieving this success. I remember the sentiment of my mother when I qualified 13 years ago in the year 1985. Mr. Nadeem talked very seriously about many things. So first I will talk to you one-to-one that there has been a perception कि जनाब CA पास करने के लिए लक होना चाहिए. यकीनन लक तो होना चाहिए, बट दुआ के साथ दवा भी करनी पड़ती है. जो आपके जो वालिदैन इनके बेटों बेटियों ने मेहनत की, आप लोगों ने दुआ की और बच्चों ने मेहनत की, तो इसका फल आपके सामने आ जाए. और आपने इस कोड पे ज़रूर अमल किया होगा, वेयर देयर इज़ अ विल देयर इज़ अ वे. मार्केट परसेप्शन तो ये है कि जनाब CA मत करो, इनका कोई भरोसा नहीं, एग्ज़ाम का पास होना मुश्किल है. हम भी यही सुनते थे. अब आपके पास तो इतने वसाइल हैं, स्टडी पे के हैं, कॉलेजेस हैं, ट्रेनर्स हैं, टीचर्स हैं. जब मैंने और कामरान साहब ने और हमारे और सीनियर साथी ने CA किया, जब बुक्स भी नहीं होती थी, मुझे याद है 83 में मैंने कामरान साहब से चार्टर टेलीफोन के नोट्स लिए और फिर पढ़ाई की थी. उस वक्त क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी नहीं मिलते थे. तो मैं कामरान साहब आपका जो ऑफिशियली शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ. हमारे यहाँ बदकिस्मती से कई कॉलेजेस ऐसे हैं जो बच्चा जब एडमिशन के लिए जाता है तो उसको पुश करते हैं कि जनाब आप CA छोड़ें, कुछ और कर लें, बिकॉज दे लुक टूवर्ड देयर बिजनेस. तो मैं आपकी हिम्मत को दाद देता हूँ कि आपने इतने एंटी परसेप्शन के बावजूद CA किया. जब हम CA कर रहे थे तो सब कह रहे थे CA करो, करना मुश्किल है, मगर अब आपकी राह में रुकावटें थी, कमर्शियल लोग आपको रोकते थे, फिर भी आपने CA किया. सबसे पहले अब मैं बात करना चाहूँगा कुछ बैकग्राउंड की. In the year 93, when 5 members were elected in the regional committee, my one colleague and senior Zafar Subhani sitting here, Khaliqur Rahman, Shabbar Zaidi, Ahmad Saeed and myself, we were elected in 93, and we started this event of honoring the newly qualified chartered accountant. In the year 2010, when I was in the council also, we delegated this function to Southern Regional Committee, and I called one day Mr. Najam, who was the chairman at that day, and I asked him, why don't you take over this function in SRC? And he immediately agreed, and then he convinced his colleagues also. The holding of CPD activity was also under the domain of council. In 94, when Masood Ali Naqvi was the president, he handed over this function to our regional committee, where we all 5 were there. And we, mashallah, laid down the good foundation. And it's because it's all regional committees thereafter have continued it well. And your regional committee have done a very interesting thing, that after every event you sent the email about the discussions of the program took place, so that who are not present, they can also take the benefit. One more interesting comment, that those 5 our colleagues which were elected in 93, all are now titled as past president of ICAP. So I hope that the host of today's regional committee will inshallah also all will get to this honor. One interesting thing is that the CASA, which is a student association, it is being supervised by regional committee, and it has always been the case since I am attached with the IK. But I feel that CASA is not independent, because its chairman is a qualified chartered accountant, and he is nominated by the members. So I think some changes are required to make CASA more effective. And those who have qualified today, they may appreciate this comment, but I leave it to the consideration by the council, because it is the job of the council to consider. Now I will talk about only 4 points to the newly chartered accountants. I will not take more your time. Those who have qualified today, they have achieved a big milestone, but the game is not over. This is a world of competition. You constantly have to upgrade yourself, and I will request you to enhance your skill in some specialized areas. Few I can mention here: sustainability and integrated reporting, Islamic banking, ERP, corporate governance, supply chain management. These are the few areas where you can do the specialization. Number two, if you decide to go to the industry, I will suggest you to act like a business manager and be a facilitator to the marketing, production, IT, HR, and don't act as a police officer like you used to operate while you used to go to the audits and threat your finance guys. Number three, dear, it's a time to pay back to your society. I will not ask all of you to join the IKIP committees, but there are various other ways to contribute to your societies. You may join NGOs, you may teach your juniors, you may decide appropriate course of action to pay back the society. Last but not least, but this advice is for the boys only, because they owe a special duty to their parents, and please do not forget your parents after your marriage. क्योंकि अभी तो हर चीज़ जज्बात बड़े गर्म हैं. जब आप दुबई में, सऊदी अरब में जॉब कर लेंगे और जब गाड़ी बंगला आ जाएगा तो माँ को, बाप को आप $500 भेज देंगे. यही हक अदा करना है, सारे मज़े आपकी बीवी ले, और जिसने आपके लिए अपनी जान कुर्बानी, पेट पे पत्थर बांध के आपको पढ़ाया, वो बस आपके $200-500 पे ही तकिया करते रहें और सुबह शाम स्काइप पे आपसे फ़ोन करके दिल ठंडा कर लें. आखिर में सिर्फ एक मैं कोट पे ख़त्म करूँगा. मेरी टीचर 1978 में कहा करते थे, नॉलेज इज़ टू नो एंड टू नो वॉट यू डोंट नो. इल्म नाम है जानने का, और वो कुछ जानने का जो आप नहीं जानते. शुक्रिया.